In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply on LinkedIn. Navigating the job market can be daunting, but LinkedIn has made job applications easier than ever with its quick apply feature. To get started, let's head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see options to either sign in with your Google account or to continue with the LinkedIn account that you've set up previously. Occasionally, for an added layer of security, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is just to make sure you're not a robot trying to access the site. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to click on the Jobs tab. This tab is your gateway to a vast array of opportunities. LinkedIn has designed this section to be user-friendly, displaying jobs that might interest you based on your profile and past job searches. Now let's dive a bit deeper. It's time to click on a job posting that catches your eye. Take your time to read through the job description and the requirements. This is crucial because understanding the role is key to a successful application. After you've found a role that seems like a perfect match, look for the Easy Apply button. This button is essentially a golden ticket to a streamlined application process. With a simple click, LinkedIn allows you to apply to jobs without leaving its platform, making your job hunting experience as smooth as possible. Next up, filling in your details. This step is pivotal. Here, LinkedIn will prompt you for specific information relevant to the job application. It could range from your contact details to your educational background. Make sure all the information is accurate and up to date. This is your moment to shine, and ensuring your application is free of errors is key. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, proceed by clicking Next. LinkedIn might throw a few more questions your way at this stage. These questions are typically related to your professional experience or specific qualifications for the job. Answer them as honestly and accurately as possible, then click Next again. Speaking of experience, now is the time to highlight yours. Type in your relevant job experiences that make you stand out as a candidate. This is like telling a story where you're the hero. Showcase your achievements and how they align with the role you're applying for. Once you've poured your professional heart out, it's time to review. Click on the Review button to go over your application one last time. This step is crucial as it's your last chance to catch any typos or mistakes. A meticulously reviewed application is a testament to your attention to detail, an invaluable trait in any professional setting. Finally, with everything in order and your confidence high, hit Submit Application. Congratulations, you've just applied to a job on LinkedIn. The beauty of the Easy Apply feature is not just its simplicity, but also the speed at which you can shoot your shot at multiple opportunities. Remember, the job market is competitive, but with LinkedIn's Easy Apply, you're armed with a tool that streamlines the process, saves time, and opens doors to a world of opportunities. Keep your LinkedIn profile updated, your resume polished, and your spirits high. Happy job hunting.